Turning overseas, efforts to vaccinate the UK's most vulnerable has been seen today as residents from a care home receive their jabs. However, people at risk of severe allergies are now being advised to avoid the injections as investigations are underway into 2 adverse reactions.
The vaccine rollout continues, but now with a reality check. The medical regulator has revealed 2 health workers had allergic reactions after receiving the jab on Tuesday. Both had a medical history of significant allergic problems and are recovering well. Thousands of people have been immunised without any issues. Jez, a care home manager, nearly died of COVID. He was relieved to return to the Gloucester Royal Hospital for the vaccine.
This is only the beginning, and I don't think this should replace things that we have in place, but I think this is another layer of how we can protect ourselves and each other. And I just implore people to think really hard and just to do it for all the right reasons.
The MHRA is investigating both cases. They're understood to have suffered an anaphylactoid reaction, which can cause breathlessness and skin rashes rather than a life-threatening anaphylaxis. As a precaution, it's advising that for the time being, people with a significant medical history of reacting to vaccines, medicines or food should not have the new jab.
We know from the very extensive clinical trials that this wasn't a feature, but if we need to strengthen our advice, now that we've had this experience in the vulnerable populations, the groups who've been selected as a priority, we get that advice to the field immediately.
Both Pfizer and BioNTech are working with the MHRA to understand the cause of the reactions. This former medicines regulator said all drugs, even routine painkillers, have risks.
There will be things that will be genuine adverse reactions, and we need to bear the balance of the benefit from having the vaccination with a very small chance of the risk.
Just relax your arm down for me though, thank you.
All the evidence points to the vaccine being safe. Canada has become the 2nd country to approve its use.
So good to see you.
Meanwhile, Margaret Keenan, who was the first person to receive it in the rollout, has left hospital a hero. After a day in the limelight, she's looking forward to celebrating her 91st birthday next week. Thomas Moore, Sky News.